Howdy gang. In today's very specific episode of Pool School, I'm going to show you how easy it is to get rid of a Hayward turbo cell salt cell and replace it with a bypass. So for those of you who are just tired of dealing with your salt system and it's becoming a pain and you want to just go back to chlorine, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. Alrighty, before we get started, I want to remind you to like this video if you do, subscribe to this channel if you have not done so, and also please share this channel with all your friends and everybody you know, okay? All right, so you are a pool owner, you have a Hayward turbo cell salt system, and you are tired of it, you're tired of having to maintain the cell, you're tired of the cell maybe not lasting as long as you'd like to, especially like places like Arizona, where the sun and the weather just really do a number on a salt cell and a salt system. So if you haven't seen my series on salt systems, please check that out from my channel. But let's say you've got, again, like I said, you have a Hayward turbo cell and you are just tired of dealing with it and you want to replace it. It's actually very simple. It's not that hard. There is a product that Hayward makes that actually allows you to bypass the cell and you don't even have to worry about it. It's very, very simple. And we're going to go back and I'm going to show you the cell first. And then we'll go to another house that I've already converted and we've bypassed the cell, and I'll show you the sleeve itself. So let's go back to the first house. All right, so you've got a Hayward turbo cell. This is the T-cell 15, very common, and you're fed up with dealing with it. You just don't want to deal with a salt cell anymore, and you want to just bypass it. Well, the good news is that Hayward makes a product that is just a sleeve that bypasses this. And this one actually I'm going to do that pretty soon. But I have another pool that actually we did it on, and I'm going to show you that so you can see that sleeve. It's really simple. You basically just disconnect this and you can just take this and bypass this, and there is a sleeve that fits right in there and just replaces it. So I'm going to show you that right now. Alrighty, so I am at one of my clients' pools that he used to have a salt cell. He has the Hayward Gold Line Pro Logic, and he had the turbo cell, like my other client's pool, which we're actually getting ready to convert as well. And this is the sleeve. If you notice, it actually is made by Hayward. Let's see, I see the right there. I think you can see it on the label, right? And it's basically, if your pool was plumbed for the turbo cell, that sleeve is an exact fit for that distance. The cool thing about that is you don't need to replumb and do cutting in a bunch of pipes and reseal it. You just put this thing, you unscrew your cell at the hubs, pop the cell out, disconnect it from the unit. There's always a connection for the cell, right? And then what you do is you go ahead and just screw that back in, make sure it seals, run your equipment, and you're done. It's that easy. The cool thing about all these cells that I've seen is that you probably can get one of those dummy sleeves for whatever model you have, as long as it's in line with your equipment. So I know that one was made by Hayward, and then they have one I've seen from Pentair. And so if you look up the manufacturer or the brand of your salt cell, and then you do a Google search, you'll probably be able to find a dummy sleeve or a bypass sleeve for that particular cell. Should you ever decide, I'm done with a salt cell, it's too much hassle, it's too costly to replace, it doesn't last as long, etc. But if you decide to do that, it's pretty easy to find one online. The Hayward one, I saw it online anywhere from $20 to $26. So they have generic ones, and then they also have the ones made by Hayward. So do yourself a Google search if you're looking to do that, and then rather than do a whole replumb, you can just pull that out, put that dummy sleeve in, and you're done. Oh, one other thing. One of the reasons that if you just do decide that you don't want to have your pool be a salt cell anymore, one of the reasons I say don't just leave the cell in is because that cell is still going to get gummed up, and eventually you're going to restrict the flow. Those fins inside are going to get minerals all over them, and then if those get too much minerals on them, they get gummed up, you're going to restrict the flow of your pool water, and that you don't want to do. So if you do decide that you're going to not use your salt system anymore, not have a salt pool anymore, you're going to want to replace that cell with a dummy sleeve or a bypass sleeve. So keep that in mind. So gang, that is my video on how to remove an old salt cell and replace it with a dummy bypass sleeve. It's pretty simple. I like it because if you ever do get tired of your salt system and you're like, okay, this is just too much of a pain and a hassle to deal with, you can replace that cell with a dummy sleeve based on the manufacturer and the company that makes your particular cell without having to do a bunch of cutting. And the old way, you have to replumb everything in, and it was a real hassle. So now it's quite convenient. It just all you have to do is just look up the brand name and the model of your salt cell, do a Google search, and just look up bypass or dummy sleeve, and you should be able to find one that is the same size, and it's just a hollow tube with the screw ends on either side that you can just replace your existing cell, and then you're done. Please make sure you don't make the mistake of thinking you can just unplug your current cell and just let your system run indefinitely and go back to using chlorine. What will happen is that cell, those fins, again, like I said earlier, are going to gum up because of the minerals depositing on those fins inside the cell, and that will restrict the flow of your water in your pool, sometimes so much to the degree that can cause damage to your pool. So you're going to want to replace that cell if you do decide to convert to just back to chlorine. You want to replace it with one of those dummy sleeves. I hope that made sense. It's pretty easy. If you have any comments or questions, remember you can post them in the comment section below this video, or you can email me directly. My email address is going to come across the bottom of the screen. It's kennypoolschool@gmail.com. Once again, kennypoolschool@gmail.com. I want to thank you again for watching. Remind you to like and subscribe to this channel if you've not done so already, and share this channel with your friends. And until we meet again, remember to be safe, have fun, and always watch those kids and pets and elderly people around water. We'll see you next time.